We're going to start by drawing a nice round circle like that. Okay? And then right the way across the halfway mark, across the middle, I'm going to draw a dot for an eye and another dot for another eye. Then I'm going to draw a little nose like that. Let's put that in the middle. Then a little line coming down and a little smile. And then we're going to need some ears, which are little triangles on the top. And we'll do a little triangle inside so our cat can hear what's happening. And then let's have some little eyebrows, shall we? So he looks a bit surprised. It could be a she. And then I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 whiskers. Now I'm going to draw the cat's body coming out from just underneath the whiskers. It's going to come out and then up into a little tail like that. And then we're going to draw the front leg. It's going to come down like that. And then the back leg is going to come down like that. And then we can join them together in the middle like that. Put a line across there and a line across there. And we can make the little paws by drawing 2 little lines like that. Then all you have to do is colour him in. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can keep coming back to Draw Stuff Real Easy to draw more stuff. Bye.